All right, drink we're about to make is called powdered chocolate donut. So if you wake up in the morning and find yourself out of your favorite breakfast, just go and make this shot and see how your day turns out. All right, let's put a shot glass there and fill it up halfway with some white creme de cocoa. It's going to give us our chocolatey flavor. And fill it up the rest of the way with coconut rum. All right, and I bet you're wondering right now, well, I understand that we have a chocolate donut, but where's our powder come in? Don't worry, I've got it under control. Got some powdered sugar here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a pinch and put it in there. And let's go ahead and do another pinch. I like a little extra powder. Okay. And just don't worry about the rest of it on your fingers. You can just send it all over the bar. And that's a powdered chocolate donut, the breakfast of champions. Bottoms up.